Hey everyone, I'm Enrico from John B. Anthony Company. We just received our Allen and Heath Avantis console and we're going to unbox it for you right now. So now that we've got Avantis out of the box, let's take a closer look. First thing you're going to notice are the two massive screens. Both are 15.6 HD capacitive touchscreens and are part of Allen and Heath's new Continuity UI control. Continuity UI blends physical controls and the touchscreen so that the channel strip controls are all right there. Gain, EQ, compression, and gates are all one touch away, whether it's through the touchscreen or the adjacent soft keys. Under the two screens, you'll see 24 motorized touch-sensitive faders, split into two banks with both sides having 6 independent layers. Each layer is completely customizable, allowing you to blend channels, effects send, effects return, DCA, master, or even MIDI in any configuration across the board. This means engineers can work with only the faders they need, or have a second engineer running independently on the second screen and fader tile. Each fader tile is paired with its own rotary encoder as well, with mute, mix, and baffle buttons, all located right here. When used with the touchscreens, engineers will be moving faster than ever with most controls right at your fingertips. The next thing you're going to notice is the illumination from the Avantis actually done under the console and aimed at the faders. The screens on this board can get very bright if you want them to be, and these added lights will let you see the fader position even in the darkest venue. Let's look at the back. For local I/O, we have 12 analog XLR in and XLR out, as well as 1 stereo AES in and 2 stereo AES outs. To the right, you'll see a USB port which can be used for stereo recording, show file storage, and firmware updates. Under the I/O are the network ports. Once the Avantis is on a network, you can control the mixer with IP controllers and the MixPad software when that becomes available. The S-Link port, which can handle 128 by 128, can be used with any stage box you've been using with your SQ, either the ME1 or ME500 personal monitors, or a digital tie line to your SQ console. Now we still have 2 card slots to talk about. Both ports are 128 by 128 and support all the D-Live cards that you already have. We have 2 Dante cards, 128 by 128 and 64 by 64, Giga Ace, Fiber Ace, everything AES, which includes 2x8, 4x6, 6x4, 10 out. Then we have Super MADI, Waves, DX Link, and DX Hub. Between both card slots, you can connect everything that you've already got for your D-Live and your SQ, including the GX4816 and DX012. The Everything I/O section of the Allen and Heath website will quickly show you all the available options you have for Avantis and all your other Allen and Heath consoles. This board is running the same 96K XCVI FPGA processors as D-Live. If you've been looking at the D-Live series and you don't need the massive channel count, this is a great solution. The Avantis is capable of a 64 by 42 configuration and will cover almost everyone's needs. It even supports the same cards and stage boxes, also making a great addition to your D-Live rig. That covers everything on the outside of the Avantis. In our next video, we'll take you through a deep dive on how to use the board. For more info on Avantis, please visit allen-heath.com or contact John B. Anthony Company. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you want to get a notification when we upload our Avantis deep dive, be sure to click the bell. Thanks for watching. Thank you.